Phoenix, I'm 9. Today we're going to be making a really yummy Australian treat. It's only 5 ingredients and the kids can make it because it's super easy. You'll need 4 cups of Cocoa Pops. You can use any Rice Krispies. And so if you're just using plain Rice Krispies, just add some chocolate or cocoa in. 1 cup of shredded or desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and if you're using just plain Rice Krispies, you can add 3. Half a cup of kofa or 125 grams. If you can't get kofa, it's just vegetable shortening, which is solid at room temperature, and half cup of icing sugar. To start with, put your Cocoa Pops in a large heat-proof bowl. You're going to melt your kofa in the microwave in short bursts or in a saucepan. Just be aware that the kofa gets really hot very quickly, so ask an adult for help or ask them to do it for you. So now the kofa's out, just going to add my dry ingredients into the Cocoa Pops. Yeah, so the coconut and cocoa. Maybe get a spoon for that. Then I'm just going to stir it and add the kofa in. Once that's all roughly coated, we're going to add the kofa in and just stir it until it's all combined. And covered all. Once everything in the bowl is coated with kofa and really wet, just get 12 patty pans ready and get a spoon or two to spoon some of the mixture into the patty pans. Just going to put them into the patty pans and just press them down so that they stick together really well. This is a great hit for children's parties or just any party really. I made 12 large ones. If you want more, you can make them in smaller patty pans, which is a really great idea for kids because it's really sweet. Then I'm just going to put them in the fridge to set for at least an hour. So these have now set, and I'm just going to have a taste. Aspergers. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.